Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change theme in Teams. You can customize Microsoft Teams by switching between light, dark, high contrast, or letting Teams follow your device system theme. So to start, open Microsoft Teams. Then at the top right corner, click the three dots. Then from the options, look for settings and click on that. Now on the left menu, you have a lot of options in here. What you need to do is to click Appearance, open Appearance or Appearance and Accessibility depending on your version. Now, under Appearance, look for Theme. So, hover over to Theme and under Theme, choose one of the following. So, click this drop down menu. So, here you have four options. So, you have light, dark, you have high contrast, and follow operating system theme. So, if you choose follow operating system theme, so it will match your Windows or Mac OS theme. So, choose the one you prefer and it will be applied immediately. So your new theme will be applied immediately in most versions. If you're using Android or iPhone, you can open the Teams app, then tap your profile picture, then go to settings. And once you're on settings, just go to appearance, then select light, dark, or system default. Then, if prompted, restart the app to apply the new theme or the changes. So, if you switch your computer or phone between light and dark mode automatically, you can choose follow operating system theme or system default on mobile. So, teams will automatically match your device's appearance. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.